Hello, Ancel sent me this engine Super Starter model BS200 to be one of the first to be able to unbox it and show it to you. So there's a lot of jump starters on the market that you would keep in the trunk of your vehicle, and then when it won't start, you would hook the positive up to the positive part of your battery and the negative cable to the negative post on your battery, and then you could jump start your car and all that. The problem with that is you know, the car's already not started. Some people are comfortable doing that, and then other people may struggle to be able to use a jump starter. So the unique thing about this from Ancel is that it is installed in your vehicle and it just stays there. And then it has an app that you can have on your phone that would give you feedback as to your battery health and things of that nature to monitor. So we're just going to unbox this. Okay, so it comes with some instructions. I'll let you kind of see it. It's got a positive and negative cable. We even have some alligator clips. Looks like some tie wraps for installation. Okay, so this is how big it is. It's actually very light. It does not weigh a lot, and it's got 3 indicator lights on the right. One says online or offline for Bluetooth, one says full or charging, and one says draining or low. And then it's got a manual discharge button. And so what you would do is in your terminals, you could loosen up your negative terminal and put this in there where the nut is at, and attach this to your negative terminal, attach this one to your positive terminal, and then from there you would just find a spot in your engine bay to mount this, and then you could secure it with the plastic wraps. And then you would have an app on your phone. Well, this would just work on its own, but the only reason you would need the app on your phone is if you want to monitor the health of your battery. So this is rated to work for 100,000 cycles. Turning your vehicle on 100,000 times is supposed to be the designed life of this. And then since it's helping, it's assisting the battery each time it's started, it's supposed to extend the life of a new battery. So it's not just for if you have an old battery that you think might die any day. It's intended to be used all the time, no matter what the age of your battery is, even if it's brand new. It's supposed to take some of that stress off of the starting. It also measures the health of the battery actively, so you could tell if your battery is about to die. This would help it start anyway, but it also lets you know when it may be time to replace it, or when that time is coming. So this is from Ancel. This is going to be the first item like this on the market from anyone. So they're first with this idea of taking it a step further from an emergency only jump starter you would keep in your vehicle to having one that's available, that's working for you all the time. So in addition to just being useful for anyone, I think where this would be particularly useful would be also for someone that may not be confident using a jump starter on their own and things of that nature. So I'll put links in the description to this product from Ancel if you are interested. Thank you for watching.